Hello, good morning. Good morning, cadets. I welcome you back for the computer science session. And in our previous class, we have discussed about all the string functions and methods. And based on that, let us try to write some programs today. Okay, based on strings. Programming examples on strings. Let us see the first program, Python program to count the number of times a character occurs in a given string. Try to understand what is the problem first. To count a number of times a character occurs in the given string. So let me explain you by taking an example. What is exactly we want? Here, let me take new here. Alright. For example, I have Sainik school. Okay, this is my words. Now your program should print how many times yes appearing. You see how many times yes? 1, 2, that is 2 times. How many times A is appearing? You just see only once. How many times I? 2 times. How many times N? 1 time. How many times K? 1 time. How many times C? 1 time. How many times H? 1 time. How many times O? 2 times. How many times L? 1 time. This is what your program. Understood? How many times S is appearing? How many times O is appearing? How many times K is appearing? Okay, let us write a program for that. Let me write a program here. Open frequency of where is that program? Frequency of characters. Let us try to do this. So what I am doing here is basically I am inputting a string here. I am taking a dictionary, empty dictionary. For I in the given string, if I is present in all frequency, if it is already present, then its counter is incremented. So all frequency I means what? Basically we are talking about the key. For example, now yes in Sainik there was a yes. So I will be yes and yes will be not present at the beginning. So it will be set to 1. The counter for S will be 1. Similarly here if S is already present, one more S we are getting, then that existing frequency will be increased by 1. So this is your nothing but your dictionary, remember. And in dictionary how the values are stored? In dictionary it will be something like this. Okay, suppose the previous example what I told there. Okay, yes appears 2 times, colon 2, comma A appears colon 3. Like this the dictionary will be displayed, right? Like this the dictionary will be displayed. Let us execute this program. For I in loop, I in all frequency, I plus 1, else count the characters in. Okay, let me save this and run. The same Sainik school what I had entered that I will give now. You can see here yes appeared 2 times, A appear 1, I appear 2, N1, K1, blank appears 1 time. Okay, C1, H1, O 2 times, L 1 time. This is what to count all the characters in a given. Hope you understood, right? That's a very simple one. Second one, to check a given string is a palindrome or not. Okay, let me see that. Palindrome means what actually? What is exactly meaning of a palindrome? You should understand, no? So MADAM is a palindrome because if you read like this also it is MADM, and if you write like this also it is. Another example is GADAG. Okay, MA Malayalam. This is also you can see, and Liril. These all are examples of what? Palindromes. So now whatever the string will enter, whether it is a palindrome or not, we have to check. Let us illustrate that. Okay, let me see palindrome. Where is that program? String. already Pali. No, this is string. It's not a string palindrome. Open. Okay. Where is that? String palindrome. Let us check this. Try to understand the logic here. Initially, we will take it as a reverse. What is this? Yes, very simple. See here, what is exactly it is doing? From last to first character is a negative indexing, remember? From last to first character in the step of -1, it is to be concatenated in the reverse. The given string is yes and reversed one is reverse. If both are equal, it is a palindrome. Otherwise, it is not a. So, basically, you have to understand this logic. What is the meaning of this? Okay. Now, let us see. Suppose welcome is your string, right? Welcome is the given string. Now, what is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, in forward direction 0 to 6. In backward direction -1 to -7. So, what is the length of S? Length of S is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So, it varies from 6 to 1 less than -1 is 0. So, 6 to 0. What it will do, you just see? 6 to 0 means your 6 is E. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, E at the beginning, E will be taken in rev. Your rev is okay, right? Okay, would like to stop at this point of time. I would like to continue in my next class. Till then, bye bye.